Looky here, boys. I got the 6.5 Grendel ready to rock and roll with the awesome M90 Swedish camo pattern that you guys had suggested. This thing looks absolutely awesome. I've got a new experimental muzzle brake on the front side. What's really interesting about this, it's got a 37-degree muzzle port ejection at the top, and instead of a traditional muzzle brake that's kicking at the 5 and 7 o'clock on the sides, this thing is directly blowing left and right. So I'm really interested to see how this will mitigate muzzle brake. I've got a Hawk Endurance 1.5. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. 1.5 by 6 by 42 scope on here. What I thought I'd show you today is I literally had just mounted this one-piece scope mount on here with the scope. And one of the things that I like to do is definitely put indication marks. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with the camera or not, but I like to draw lines just like this so that I can see, and it's not showing up right there. And the same thing with this one, right here. And then this one, I'll go this way. And right here. And this one, right here. And finally, up at top, I'll do the same thing right here. So that if anything moves, I'm going to know it. Yeah, it may mark up your scope a little bit, but I am a function over form person. So we will get this bad boy out in the field. What I'm really interested to know is if this thing is going to hold the same zero. It's the same barrel, pretty much the same setup. I did put one new shim, or actually 5 new shims in here to create a little bit of space in there just because I was having some accuracy issues. So I'm really interested to see if this is going to hold the same zero as last time. We'll get this out in the field and find out.